Hey everyone, in this video we're going to learn how to integrate OpenAlgo with GoChatting alerts so that a GoChatting user can transmit their alerts into orders using OpenAlgo. So what I'm going to do, I'll go and pull up VS Code where I'm going to get into the OpenAlgo folder, and then I already configured my API keys and API secret, right? So we're going to use the dev tunnel mechanism. I'll go to the port section. From here I'll go and forward the port, right? So the port number is 5000. If this works, if you are running locally in your local machine, in your local Windows or Mac or even Linux desktop, but if you're hosting in your own custom domain, the configuration is little different. So I'll go and enter the OpenAlgo default port. By default, OpenAlgo runs a Flask application in port 5000. If you're running in a different port, you have to configure it differently. So once you enter, it will be forwarding the port. It will be giving you a public URL. And by default, the public URL will be in private mode. I need to right click over that, and then I'm going to change the port visibility to public, right? And if I click continue, you will be seeing this public URL. So this is a URL. You're going to copy this URL, come back to your .env file, scroll down. You'll be finding this host server. So replace your local URL with the new host URL. Ensure that the double last backslash is not there. I mean the forward slash is not there, and save the file. Now once you save the file, now we gonna go and ensure that we're gonna running the OpenAlgo. So or if already OpenAlgo is running, just restart the application just by typing uv run app.py. That should be starting OpenAlgo, right? And so check whether the port is working or not. Click on this URL. That should be opening up in a separate tunnel. So maybe sometime it might be asking for a confirmation. You have to provide yes. If this is working, don't try to log in from here, because still your OpenAlgo is running locally and you get only the API access, right? Don't try to log in using this mechanism, and that is not a secure way as well. So now I'll come back to GoChatting. What I'm gonna do is like I'm gonna create an alert. So you can go and create an alert either from here, or you can also create an alert from let's say like I'll go and create an alert for Reliance. So right click, you can also create an alert as well. I'm gonna add an alert, right? So that way also you can create an alert, or you can also create an alert from here. Now from OpenAlgo, right? I'll go to OpenAlgo. I enter my credentials. So I'm using my local login is what I'm using. And from here, I'll go to platforms. From here, you can, from the platform sections, you can find the TradingView, GoChatting and charting. So click on configure GoChatting, right? So you will be getting the webhook URL, right? So copy the webhook URL and also the message. The message is like, let's say I'm in an Reliance chat. So I'll go and select Reliance over here. So Reliance, so that should be getting me the Reliance symbol. Select the exchange, how much quantity that you want to punch, and generate the JSON. So generating the JSON and the webhook URL is very, very important. So I'll just copy it and I'm gonna paste it over here. So paste the webhook URL, right? And also the message which I'm gonna copy it again. So there is a copy button is there, which you can use it to copy, paste it, right? And then I'm gonna create the alert. So it creates an alert, as you can see, whenever the alert is getting modified, right? So somehow, let's say like I bring it very closer to the price action. You see that whenever I'm trying to change, the alert message is changing. So anyways, you may, if at all you are changing, you have to replace it again, right? And modify the alert. Price is getting very closer to that. If at all the alert is getting triggered, we should be getting a message, right? So we got a message, which means it could have triggered an alert over here as well, which I should be able to see it from my order book. I should be able to see in my trade book. I should be able to see in my position book as well. I guess this explains how you can see the alert, and I think you can also see the alert configuration from here as well, right? So you can go to the modify alert settings and you can change it, or you can also play the alert, or you can see it in the logs, like what message has been transmitted, what time it got transmitted. So all those information you should be able to see from here, right? If you don't want, you can also pass start the alert as well. So I hope this helps. Let me know in comments like how it is working for you, right? So see you in at another video. Until then, thank you. Bye bye.